Now, let's talk a little bit about intervals. So intervals are the distance between notes. So normally in my class, when I'm teaching, I normally teach it first on solfege. So normally when we do our scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, I have an interval scale that goes like this. Do, re, that's a second, do, mi, that's a third, do, fa, that's a fourth, do, sol, that's a fifth, do, la, that's a sixth, do, ti, that's a seventh, do, that's an octave. Now let me explain what that means. So you're gonna take the first note, which we start with do normally, that's gonna be our first note, we're gonna make that 1. And then we're gonna say 1, and then 2 would be re, because that we're just counting 1, 2. So the distance between this is a second because there's just 2 notes, 1, 2. Now if I was going from do to mi, that would be a third because I'm going 1, 2, 3. Now, so do, fa would be a fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, so, do, la would be a sixth. Do, ti would be a seventh. And do, that could be an eighth. Sometimes you'll see it as an eighth, but most time you'll see it written as an octave. That's supposed to be a V, but of course my handwriting, yeah, that's that. All right, so this could be if I'm going 1, 2, 3, but I don't always have to start on do. I can start on another note and it would still be the same kind of interval if I count it that way. So I'll start on fa, and I'm trying to go to ti. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is still a fourth. So that is still a fourth. So when I'm looking here, so down here I have 2 notes. So I'm starting right here. This one's starting on do, and it's going up to mi. So that would be a third, because I'm going up 3 notes. So that is a third. Then I have do to so. So I'm counting from line, space, line, space, line. If I'm not using solfege, that's all I have to do. So I'm gonna go 1, 2 would be in the space, 3 would be on the line, 4 would be in the space, and 5 up on that line, so that would be a fifth. And then I have here, I'm just moving up a little bit, so I don't start where do started, I'm starting in this space right here. So I'm gonna count 1, 2 would be on the line, 3, 4, 5. That would be a fifth as well. Now I'm starting in the same place, but I'm a little bit higher. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be on that line. So instead of putting 8, I would put an octave. And then I have another one right here. It was a big skip from the bottom line to the top line. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Line space, line space, line space. So it's 9. So this is a ninth. And I could keep going. If I had a note above that, if I moved that note up, that would be a 10th. If there was another note above that, that would be an 11th, 12th. It goes on and on and on. You don't ever have to stop. So this is the basics, just the numbers. And then we can go into the qualities of what they are. If they're a minor second, or a major third, a perfect fourth, or an augmented sixth. There's a bunch of different ones. We'll get into those later, hopefully. So that's enough for today. I hope you guys have a great day.